Okay, so this is how to set up your action camera on top of your DSLR. For this particular demonstration, we're going to use Canon T3i or 600D. Alright, so what you're going to need is you're going to need these little adapters, these hot shoe adapters. I got these from Amazon, from the company Neewer, and you get 6 in a bag, and I've used them quite a bit. So if you watch some of my previous videos when I'm walking around with the Yi action camera on top of my camera, this is exactly what I'm using to set it up. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you have these two round screws here, and you're gonna move them up. And on the Canon, it's very easy because it's already set to go, so you just want to slide that in. Then you're going to turn the first screw just to get that part tight, and then you're going to want to loosen up the second screw on top. And then the next step is to screw on your action camera, and you can do this with the GoPro as well. With the Yi, I have it on a cage so that it's more stable. So basically you want to turn it so it's not too tight, but just tight enough so that it's on there. And then you're just going to tighten it up with the second screw on the top to make sure that it's nice and tight so it doesn't fall off or turn on you. Just want to make sure that it's straight. I'm just going to keep turning until so you have a tight fit so it's not spinning around on you. Okay, another thing too, once you have this set up with the Yi camera, with the view of angle that you have, you're gonna notice the barrel quite a bit, the barrel of the lens. I actually don't mind having that. I like the way that looks because you're getting that perspective. So that's it. It's a 3-step process. You just need the adapter, action camera, and the hot shoes, and then you're ready to go. And that's how you set up your action camera on top of your Canon T3i. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.